Okay, so this is the river interface. I can type any text I want into the prompt and it'll start generating. I can also type any text and search for images. So I search palace and I just add that to the prompt. Overgrown with trees. And so this lets me kind of take a look and think, oh yeah, what style of trees do I want? What kind of, I mean, that's kind of fun. I wonder if it'll give the palace that kind of style. And then, maybe I want to change the aspect ratio here. That feels good. Okay, so I can drag these out. Playing around with this drag, I don't know if it feels good yet, but uh, it's kind of sort of around this idea that once this is finished generating, oh, yeah, I like those trees. Those are nice trees. I know that I can drag this over and blend these two images together. I don't know what that will look like. And I can also just add the image to the prompt. So if I want a blue alien um, inside of this, whatever this is, holding an axe. I mean, you see that like this is a character reference, this is a place reference, this is an object reference. I mean, eventually you can have all these different kinds of references, and it doesn't make sense to just have them be separate from the prompt itself, be like little things you tack on at the end. It makes sense for them to just exist within the prompt, to be part of the grammar of Midjourney. Images become part of your vocabulary. Okay, these are interesting. Yeah. Kind of cyberpunk, palace, trees, combination of a few different things going on there. Okay. I mean, yeah, blue alien holding an axe. Again, this weird like green palace thing. It's getting sort of the white background from the blue alien and the axe, kind of very prominent there. Um, I would be slightly curious to let's see. So that's the prompt. I can pin images. I'd be slightly tempted to put this guy in a cyberpunk city. Ooh, that's a nice one. I like that cyberpunk city. Yeah, maybe I'll change the aspect ratio, make it more portrait style. Of course, I can open the scrapbook and see all the images I've generated. They're not laid out super well right now, but you get the general idea. I mean, this is a piece of the interface that is closer to what we have on the website right now. The gallery, the archive, the create menu, the plus button next to the prompt bar, all these things are kind of merged into a single concept of the scrapbook here. Um, let's see, other parts of this interface. You see up here that it says the river. Um, the reason for this is I want Midjourney to be more flexible, more adaptable. That our interface is not just one interface, but we're able to experiment much more easily. We're able to put stuff out there more frequently. And so if you click on this river, it doesn't do anything yet, but I want to be able to switch between different views. So I might want to go into a canvas. Might want to experiment with um, maybe there's like a world building interface that the storytelling lab puts out, and we could even share some of these things for a week at a time, kind of make it very obvious that like, oh yeah, this is a new interface you have access to for this next week. Kind of play around with it, give us feedback, and that way we can just keep putting stuff out there and not have to worry too much about it. And so I want the interface to be extensible in all these little ways. Um, as you go into an image, this part down here could become a toolbar. You can kind of start editing things, maybe even scroll back in this river. Um, I'm thinking of having sort of plus button up here by the profile image. And of course, what a plus button would do there is you invite people into the space to start prompting with you. So I can just invite a few friends and we can be jamming together on some ideas. Uh, I will probably implement that in the next couple of days and share it with people and see how it feels to generate collaboratively in this space. Yeah, we have our weird blue cyberpunk alien.